Salam kids, welcome to your channel Islam Station. Today we are talking about the farewell pilgrimage, Hijja Tul Wida. Now, the 9th year of the Hijri, indeed, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, spread Islam throughout Arabia, and many had embraced the faith, hence growth in the strong Muslim community. One day, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, invited all Muslims to accompany him in performing hajj. This journey was to be particularly important in that it was to be his last hajj. Most excitement was sinking in when thousands of Muslims coming from different tribes and regions poured into Medina to join him for this noble cause. Packing began, and a kind of joy and anticipation filled the atmosphere. The first to proceed was the Prophet, peace be upon him, leading the group for educating the people about the rites and mysteries of Hajj. The caravan started moving through deserts and mountains towards Mecca. Of all days of the Hajj, the day of Arafah has the most extreme importance. On that day, on a plain called Arafah, thousands upon thousands of pilgrims assembled together. They were united in the speech of the Prophet when he informed them about equality, justice, and treating one another nicely. The Prophet reminded all for the saying of Islam and to take care of each other. Having performed all the rituals on the last day of Hajj, it was a time when at a place called Mount Arafat, the Prophet, peace be upon him, gave this memorable speech. He acquitted and emphasized the following important key messages. Unity and equality. He calls for Muslims to unite and opined that all Muslims are created equal despite their background. Respect and kindness. He called upon everybody to treat others respectfully and as much as possible when one is in need. Obeying the teachings. He said he had stressed the importance of adhering to Islamic teachings. After the long pilgrimage, finally, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the people who went to pilgrimage went back home in the most blissful and spiritually enlightened mood. The lessons learned from Hajj are shared within the family and friends, mentioning, on purpose, the importance of love, peace, and community. This journey of farewell pilgrimage encloses immense significance in Islam, the very moment when unity, love, and dispersal of great teachings all meet. Indeed, his messages up to this time fascinate Muslims from the whole world, reminding them to be kind, just, and supportive with one another. I hope you learn about the farewell pilgrimage Hijja Tul Wida, and it is important in Islamic history. If you enjoy this video and want to watch more exciting stories about Islam, please sure to subscribe our channel Islam Station. Thanks for watching, kids. As-salamu alaikum.